It's time to make some coleslaw. Let's make this delicious pineapple coleslaw. This is a super simple recipe. We're going to start off with half a cup of mayonnaise. We like to use Duke's. To that we're going to add 1/4 a cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 a teaspoon of salt. That's going to be our dressing. We're just going to give that a nice mix here. Now to that, we're going to add 1/4 a cup of diced onion. If you don't like onion, you can always leave that out. We're going to use some broccoli slaw. If you want to use fresh slaw, you can, but you want to use a 12-ounce package of slaw. And a 15-ounce can of drained, crushed pineapple. Just going to mix that all up. Once you get that mixed all together, you probably want that set in the refrigerator probably 30 minutes or so those flavors can meld together. We're going to start this with some barbecue chicken. Anyway, we hope that you enjoy these recipes, and thank you for watching.